In this video, I am going to show you how to get a refund on Fiverr. Cancelled orders refund to your Fiverr balance. After your cancellation request has been approved, here are a few additional options to help you out. Pick a different seller from a personalized recommendations list. Fiverr will provide you with personalized list of seller recommendations on your orders page to help you complete your project and make the seller search process easier. Once your order is successfully cancelled, the funds will be credited directly to your Fiverr balance. You'll see the credited funds next to the profile picture. If you purchase and cancel an order with your Fiverr Pro account, your funds will be credited to the account's balance. After your cancellation request has been approved, you'll be able to receive your refund by clicking on Request a Refund button in the Billing section or under the Billing and Payment page. The amount of time to receive your refund from your Fiverr balance will depend on which method you choose, like PayPal 24 hours, credit card within 7 to 10 days. In extreme cases, it can take up to 2 weeks to get your refunds. They are only able to refund the original payment source that was used to process the payment. Fiverr is not able to change the card or PayPal account to where the funds will be credited. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,